Okay, so hope you can hear me here. Just finished first part of drum rebuild, shoes and all that whatnot. So this right here is the brake cylinder. So I had to replace that one. Here's the old one. There you go, right there. So it's old and a little rubber gets worn out in there, and so you got to put a new one in. It's got some screws on the back, and this right here is where your brake line comes in, and these two is what holds it in place, and it goes right there, and it kind of slides under the disc there and pops in, and you screw it on, put your brake line in, and you're good to go. There's your brake line right there. And let's see if I can get you a little shot behind. This is what it looks like behind there. Okay. Important thing to know is that you only need to do this job a 9/16 open end. Okay. That's to get your brake line off. Alright. Then you need 13 millimeter. I use the ratcheting 13 millimeter. Really great little kit there. And ratchet off the two screws in back, and then that releases it, and you can pop on the new one. Okay. I'll be back. I'm going to rebuild the shoes, put those on, and get that all ready to go. Alright. There you go.